AnnyeongAisyasya. 안녕하세요. 자, 여러분, 여기는 이케아입니다. We have arrived at IKEA Gwangnyeong. Yeah, this is the biggest IKEA store in Korea. I think it's the biggest in Asia though, but yeah, I saw somewhere, but this IKEA Gwangnyeong is bigger. And for your information, Korea has 2 IKEAs, and one is in Goyang and another one is in Gwangnyeong, which is this one. So actually we've been here once, and this is our second time coming here, and I want to show you guys what's inside, so come with us! Woohoo! Okay, ini. So what are we going to eat? I think we're gonna have like veggie ball, and then salmon fillet, and some cakes and also some bread. Ooh. I can't wait to eat about. I really like IKEA punya makanan. It's really distinctive, I would say. Right now we're going to order some food. Tadi kita dah tengok menu dia, and it seems very interesting. Yeah. So we're going to look for real. Tengok apa yang ada. Kena cautious juga sebab takut daging kat sini tak boleh makan kan. Yeah. So we have to check first whether we can eat it or not. Let's go. Marinated salmon. Sweet corn salad. 1009. Green salad. Look at that cakes. Oh, look at that. Okay, ambil contekan chocolate cake. This one. Tengah kira budget 2009 32,700. Oh my god. Boleh lah tu. Mirinda Great. Coffee espresso를 눌러주세요. Espresso. Okay. Ooh. Okay, done. Now we're going to take some sugar. Oh, dia dah keluar. Lah. This is not meatball kan? This is veggie ball. So we can eat, and it's healthy. We have emailed the IKEA management before coming here, asking about the ingredients of the veggie ball, and dia ada macam nuts dia, so boleh tak?
Hai Kak Syasha, Kak Aisyah. Kita dah sebenarnya dah balik lah daripada Gyeongmyeong punya IKEA. Okay, tengok kita dah habis shopping sikit. Gitu. Lah we are at the same place wrong time.
Dia tu. Semua colour ada. Blue, green, pink. Ini light green. And this one is the pink one. I love the colours. Dia macam earthy, but at the same time dia macam so natural. I just love them all. Oh my god, comfy though. Yeah though. Look at the color. Wow, lawannya. Siapa bagi? Siapa bagi? Adalah. You know what, guys? Just now we saw a couple at the flower section, and then the girlfriend was like, "Oh, this flower is so pretty green." And then the boyfriend was like, "Why? Beli." Dah fed up. Kalau jalan-jalan nampak orang Malaysia kan? Wah, like apa bahasa semua macam very familiar. And then rasa macam like one with the Malaysian people. True. Someone's tired. Okay, bye. Good night. Good night. Assalamualaikum. Bye. Di tempat katil. So we're inside the lift, going back to the second floor because we couldn't find the Chinze part just now, which is the showroom. Yeah. And right now we're going to the showroom. Dang, so big. It's ours. Woo! Best ke? Soft ke? Ya, sedap gila kot. Lembut. Macam rasa? Kita tengok price. Berapa ya? Macam aku nak bawa balik. 199,000. So, this is my moisturizer and then this is my... Okay, let's go.